High Performing Buildings, December's Roundup. This month, we are looking at 3 shortlisted projects of the RIBA International Prize. These global architecture awards champion buildings that would change the world. The RIBA International Prize 2021 will be awarded to a building which exemplifies design excellence, architectural ambition, and delivers meaningful social impact. Number 1. Friendship Hospital. Unlike traditional healthcare buildings, Friendship Hospital's aesthetic blends naturally into its rural setting in southwestern Bangladesh. The judges felt that the building has the potential to be a sustainable and affordable blueprint for other clinical facilities in rural regions. The design takes into account the area's pre-existing environmental issues, the need to collect rainwater for drinking, and to deal with potential flooding. The remote community hospital is arranged around a series of intimate courtyards, which bring in light and natural ventilation. A canal of water cuts through the length of the site. The canal separates the inpatients and the outpatients, whilst collecting rainwater stored in tanks, a valuable resource in an area where the saline groundwater is unusable for most practical purposes. Number 2. The James-Simon-Galerie. This entrance building is a visitor centre for the world-leading cultural destination and UNESCO World Heritage Site, Museum Island in Berlin. The project brief was to create an area that could house the ticketing office, a cafe, cloaks, restrooms, an auditorium, a special expedition space, and deliveries, a mixture of front and back of house functions. The site overcame several planning problems, including the fact that the required connections to each of the museums are at different physical levels. Number 3. Lilylandsbro. The Lilylandsbro is a cycle and pedestrian bridge like no other. At the centre of the bridge, 2 rotating sections swing open vertically, allowing for marine traffic to pass through. The mechanism is buried within the bridge's piers, an opening structure, so as not to interrupt the continuous line across the water. This is the first time this engineering approach has been used in swinging bridge design, breaking new ground in the field. The bridge ensures that cyclists and pedestrians can use the bridge safely at the same time, with sufficient width for 2 separate travel lanes. The needs of all users are considered, including those who must or simply choose to walk slowly, and people reliant on the use of a wheelchair or mobility scooters. The structure enhances Copenhagen's waterfront and its reputation as the world's best city for cycling. Explore our feature section for more deep dives into high-performing buildings.
Read more at TWinFM.com.